Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. We're checking out the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 320. Complete pocket hole kit for building DIY wood projects. So I've wanted one of these for a while, so I finally got one. You can make these cool pocket holes. So it's a secure way of holding pieces of wood together and also being able to hide it. So this is supposed to be one of the easier ways to, didn't want to really rip that, a nice little jig or whatever, so it's convenient to work with. So we're just going to show you what we got in here. So it comes with this nice little case. I picked this up from Home Depot. And it ran, I think, around $30 or something. So we got an owner's manual and indoor pocket hole screws and then outdoor pocket hole screws. So I think the difference is pocket hole screws have perhaps a flat head on them. Okay, yeah, so more or less. Some other screws are more rounded, kind of slope outwards. And I believe for like wood and like pocket holes, if it's instead of shaped like this, creating a wedge, which will kind of tend to split your wood open if you're not careful. These just don't have that. They're nice and flat, and so that rests on that whole part and doesn't tend to split the wood out, but just kind of on that rests on that pocket that you've created. And creates a nice strong bond there. So that is pretty cool. And I believe these are some small ones here. Indoor, outdoor ones. These are I always tear those when I try to do that. So yeah, similar thing like that, wood screws. So that's cool, comes with the little screws there. This device, good golly, what does this one do? So, near as I can tell, that looks like might have to actually read the instructions for this thing. It looks like some kind of a clamp or something. I will be making some videos of actually using this, so I'm not exactly sure what that is. We'll figure it out though, right? And this one appears to be some kind of a measuring guide, I guess. Easy material measuring. So somehow this goes on the wood and lets you know where to do the adjustments, I guess. Here is this device. So it has some nice silicone there on the back, so it's non-slip. You put on your wood, are able to put your drill into there, and then based on, I think, how far you want it in there, this can be adjusted to the certain length that you want. So it has this right there. So with your measuring thing, I believe you would measure like how the thickness of your wood, possibly 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1/2, and then you would unscrew that, loosen it up, put it onto those, and that will show you exactly how far this is going to go into your wood. Just set it on that. Now it has these little adjustable clamps here on the side. I believe you just lift that up and you can slide it. There's one. So I'm not sure on the measurements. Oh, okay, yeah, here we go. Those are 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1/2 inch also. So these can be adjusted to where you want them to be. So that's pretty cool. I believe this comes apart. So that part yeah, I'm definitely probably gonna have to read the instructions. As much as I'm not really liking to read instructions, it might be necessary with this. I don't want to break it. This thing does seem fairly sturdy, but oh, whoa. Sorry about that. So that comes off of there, and then it looks like, okay, and those just slide forward, and that can be removed. So looks like it turns sideways, and then locks it in place like that. All right, so that's pretty sweet. And then finally it comes with this. So obviously if you need to screw in your screw and have a, this is this square attachment to go right into there and screw it in. Alright, so this should be a super handy tool. I actually made a frame the other day for a tapestry, and I screwed in, let's see, I screwed in from the side, from the top, so the board's like this, pretty much, and I screwed in from into there. Only one, and then when I twisted or pulled the tapestry tight to put it on there, it actually wound up bending, twisting the frame, so it's not really straight when you put it on there. So with this, I'm going to be able to screw in two. Instead of just one screw, I'll be able to do two, and a nice little pocket hole on there, and that will keep it from twisting like that and keep your frame nice and straight. So pretty happy with this. I'm pretty excited to use it, and I'll be making some videos of that when I do. So thanks for watching this little unboxing. That's kind of what you get with this Kreg pocket hole jig 320 set. All right, guys, I'll link something like this down below in the description. You can pick it up from Amazon probably, and I am an Amazon associate, so it helps the channel if you guys click on that. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.